Hello everyone, I'm Madhumita and welcome to Insight. A logo is the identity of a company, it's the face of an organization, and also it's an efficient way of visual communication with the audience. A logo can be a graphic representation of a company, so it can be a word mark, abstract, pictorial, or lettermark. The first one is Baskin Robbins. बास्किन रॉबिन्स इज नोन फॉर आइसक्रीम्स एंड केक्स. ये स्टार्ट किया था बास्किन और रॉबिन इन दोनों ने मिलके. अगर हम लोगों की बात करें तो BR ये इनिशियल यूज़ किया है, पर ध्यान से देखें तो 31 विजिबल होगा, विच स्टैंड्स फॉर डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम्स फॉर ईच डे ऑफ द मंथ. ये सारे जो ब्रांड्स हैं, ये सारे फेमिलियर ब्रांड्स हैं जो कि आते हैं एक ही कंपनी के अंडर, और वो है हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर. The letter U is the logo of this company, which is creatively designed to include all the aspects of the brand. 20 plus icons are used in this letter U, which represents all the brands. Like the lock of hair represents shampoo brands. The next is Toblerone, एक Swiss chocolate brand जिसमें chocolates are connected in a triangular prism shape. This chocolate comes from the city Bern, which is in Switzerland, जिसे City of Bears भी कहा जाता है. Can you spot the bear in the logo? The next is Picasa, Google's image organizer. The circular, colorful portion of the logo represents a camera shutter. And the white space within the logo represents house. Picasa means where PI stands for pictures and casa in Spanish means house. So basically it's a house for all your memories, all your photos. The next is TripAdvisor, a travel website, a platform जहां आपको travel related information available हो जाएगी, be it about the place or hotels, transportation, travel experiences. The logo looks like an owl where the eyes represent binoculars. And the green and the red indicates traffic lights where you should go and should not go on your next trip. The next is Mozilla Firefox, the web browser. Many people thought that the animal in the logo is a fox, but this Firefox is derived from the nickname of the red panda who is seen to be encircling a blue globe representing the earth. The next is Amazon, the e-commerce platform. Well, in the logo, the arrow connects two letters, that is A and Z, representing that it sells everything from A to Z. And also the arrow means the smile that a customer would experience after shopping on the Amazon. The next is FedEx, that is Federal Express, the shipping company. If you look closely, there is an arrow hidden between E and X, which represents the idea of moving forward with speed and accuracy. Subway, which is known for its sandwiches and salads. Have you observed the arrow at the ends of the letters, that is S and Y? Well, the arrows stand for the entrance and the exit to the subway. And the last is Toyota, a car manufacturing company. Well, if you look closely at the logo, you will see 3 overlapping ovals जिससे Toyota का initial that is the letter T is visible. लेकिन इसे इस तरह डिज़ाइन किया है जिससे आपको Toyota के सारे letters visible होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, और अगर आपने अब तक के सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो.